Welcome back to ECRN Garage. Got a new purchase. I've been looking for a truck for a long time, and shout out to my brother who let me use his truck for the last few months while I was trying to find something for myself. Anyway, this is a 1981 Ford F100 two-wheel drive. It's got a 302 2-valve automatic, just a basic truck, and we'll just do a quick little walk around here. This is going to be kind of my daily truck. My wife has a new car, so I thought I should get something that I could have some fun with and haul the bikes and the race bike around with as well. So under the hood we got our standard 302 2-valve V8. The only thing I haven't found that I have found that's not working on this truck so far is the windshield washer. It's not hooked up, and I tested the pump and it's bad. So I have a new pump and wiring harness coming. That wire there, the white with the red trace, is the windshield washer fluid wire. So it's been cut off, but as you can see, someone's added some horns. That's a train horn, and the horn from the steering wheel is an air horn as well. It's a pretty clean truck overall. Underneath, all new shocks, new suspension, exhaust, frames all been undercoated, new battery. Overall, it's a really decent truck. The only one flaw it has, it's got a little bit of a lifter tick, and I'm going to try some snake oil first before I dig into it any deeper to see if that works. So inside is just your standard interior. Door panels are a little weather beaten. It's got a pretty good dash. It's got a cloth seat, and they built a little cubby hole in the back. Got a wood to hold your stuff. It's pretty handy. It's got carpet floor. Everything is pretty solid. I'm showing 4,000 on it, but that's probably 104 or 204. But unless the pedals were replaced, it's probably 104,000. Here's the horn, and there's the two horns. Someone put a Kenwood, an older Kenwood from the, looks like the 90s, detachable face stereo. But it's in pretty good shape, except for can't clean the windows. Anyway, I'll give it a quick little start up here. You can hear the engine tick. Hear that little engine tick it's got there. It's got good oil pressure. It's charging. There's a couple little extra gauges in it. All the lights work, and I think we'll just do an oil change and put some magic juice in it to see if we can get that tick to go away. I've been doing some tuning on the truck a little bit. The steering was a little vague, so I went down on top of the steering box. There's a nut and a set screw. So I turned that, loosened up the lock nut, turned it a quarter of a turn, and the steering, it took 90% of the slop out of it, so it's really good now. And I had the valve tick, sounded like a sticky lifter, but I took the valve cover off this morning. I didn't get a chance to film. I was just checking it out, and one of the lock nuts for the cylinder here was loose, and the rocker was rattling. So I checked it with a straight edge across, and all the studs were the right height. So I just rolled it over till it was on compression stroke, and I adjusted till the push rod didn't move, and then I went another half turn. So I'm just going to do a fire up test of that, and I'll let you hear that the noise is gone. As you can hear, the rattling rocker is now quieted out. There's a tiny little tick in it. Someday when I got some more time, I'm just going to pull the rockers. I'm going to go over all the valves just in case, or just to see if maybe one of the other ones were loose or weren't set right. So that should be it for now. I'll take this thing out for a little drive. Maybe I'll take you along with me.